Hi everyone, this is Volca HR platform. Here you can see the homepage where our main goal to help colleges prepare students for placement using AI technology. With this platform, students can practice interviews, improve their skills and become industry ready. So now here we are showing the common challenges colleges face, like students not being fully prepared for placements. So from here you can log in, and first of all you have to go on sign up for free. Then college has to mention their first name, last name, email address, the phone number, password, and then create organization, and then they have to mention the organization name and then create account. After creating the account with the login credentials, they can log in into it. They have to click on college login and then mention the email ID and then password and then sign in. Now you can see our dashboard from where we can see colleges can see the day-to-day activity of all the students. You can see the total students imported, students active, shortlisted candidates, with all the graphs with having the quick actions on the dashboard as well. So first of all, college has to go on the organization page and invite members. Whatever the invite members, like they are having faculties, HRs, admins. For that they have to click on invite members and mention their details, select role and then send invite. They will receive the invite, and from that invite instructors can also log into it. After that you can see the name of all the instructors here, like it is mentioned Sanjana, Ritika, Ankita, and we are having the actions also for removing and edit the details of members. So after that we have to go on academics and assessments, and we have to create a class. For that we have to give a name of a class like BTech. We have to select the session, year, semester. We have to mention any description and then select the instructor. Like for adding the students, we have to create a class first of a class name, and then the class is created, like it is mentioned BTech first year second semester. After that we can add students. For that we have to click on add student. We are having the option of adding bulk students as well. After adding the students, we have to mention the students details and then select the class, in which class the student is, then add new student. We have to select the department as well and then add new student. After adding the student name will going to be visible in each class. And then we have to go on academics. Now we can see how many students are there in the class. From here the subjects, how many subjects are there, and the instructor name as it is visible on the screen. Now instructors can also add their libraries as in they can add their study material. For that they have to go on upload and then mention the title. We can say any title like economics, English, any study material they can add, and so that it is going to be visible to all the students and they can use it, and it is going to be helped in their sessions. And when we click on view PDF, we can see the study material which has been uploaded by the instructors as it is shown here. Now we can also chat from the PDF, like student want to know any key topics or anything from the PDF. For that you have to mention here and then click, the chat will going to be there, like you can see there. And then we'll go back on the page and we'll go on the assessment academics. From here we have to add the subject. For that we have to click on these three dots, view subject, and then from here we can add subjects. We have to add the subject name, the description and its status, whether we want to publish it, unpublish it, and we want to show to the organization or not, and then create subject. After creating the subject, whatever the subjects are going on in the classes and whatever the topics are running in the classes, teachers can create tests for all the students. Like in a day-to-day activity, whatever the topics is going on in the classes, they can create a test for them. For that they have to click on generate new topics, select the PDF, the study material, and then generate topics. Valuable topics they can select, like they have to select from here, like 3 topics we can say we are selecting, and then we'll create a test of these topics and it will going to be visible to the student panel. And we have to mention the test name. We can mention whether we want to keep the test normal or in a Viva form, and if instructor want to publish the test or not, the result. And then teachers can also add questions manually. they are also having the option of add the question manually and then generate questions. For that they have to mention the difficulty, whether they want to medium, hard or easy, mention the number of MCQs they want, number of short question, and then generate questions. After generating it, you can see this, it is generating. Now questions have been generated, so teachers has generated these questions from those topics. Now they have to click on create test, and then after creating the test will going to be created. They can see the test on the class test option. Then when they'll click on class test, they can see that. And we can also edit it, like we have drafted, and in future if we want to publish it, we can publish it and then update the test. Now it will going to be visible to the students login as well, and students can perform the test, and accordingly they can see the results or also, and they can see whether they are, how much they have to improve, how much they have to work on it. And after that, after the session is getting ended, we can go to the jobs and placement, whatever the companies is coming in our colleges. In a real-time view, we can create a job for the students so that they can give mock interviews, they can perform the mock interviews, accordingly they can work on it. Or that they have to mention the everything, like the salary and everything, location, job description, requirement, responsibilities. In a real-time interviews we have to mention, so that students get more idea about it. Okay, after creating the job, we are also having the option of assigning the interviews directly to particular students. Like if many students are there who have to brush up their skills more, accordingly they can assign it, and it will going to be show on the students login as well, and they can perform it. And how we can see the students performance, we have to go on student page and click on student, and we have to click on three dots. When we click on it, we have to view details. Now we can check the student performance. Their resume scores we can check, the mock interviews has been given, their career readiness we can check, and also their mock interview reports with the resume scores, interview scores, and date also we can check. Whatever the interview assigned by the instructor, we can check whether it is rejected or not, interview allotted or not. And the test, the attempted test, we can check from here with the percentage, overall percentage. So we can see each and every student's performance directly while clicking on student's name. We don't have to reach every student personally. From this platform we can reach to each and every student, and students have more and more space to brush up their skills and to perform their skills. So this is how we can check. So this is all we are performing from this platform, the overall skills we are providing from starting to end, from the session is getting started, with students having test, class test, and also at the end students having mock interviews to practice for the placement.